Verifying your bank account on MTurk is an important step to ensure you can receive payments for your work. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your MTurk account. Visit the MTurk website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your email and bank account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use MTurk to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Add your bank account information. In the payment section, enter your bank account details. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid issues. Step 4. Confirm your bank account. After entering your information, MTurk may require you to confirm your bank account. This can involve receiving a small deposit from MTurk into your bank account, which you will need to verify. Step 5. Enter the verification amount. Check your bank account for the small deposit made by MTurk. Once you see it, return to the MTurk site and enter the exact amount to complete the verification process. After completing these steps, your bank account should be verified, allowing you to receive payments for your work on MTurk. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to MTurk support for assistance.